Want to analyze logistics in seconds? Just use your smartphone. With Twinzo's 3D app, it's that easy. Here's our factory, showing forklifts in real time. Let's focus on this one. Tap to quick view. Now we can see its movement from the last shift. There are a few unusual rides. Let's check the exact times. We can fix this and make the forklift more efficient. For example, we can store pallets closer to a workstation. The heat map shows us the busiest areas in the factory. Let's measure this zone to learn more. We can even define custom areas for deeper insights. This forklift mainly operates on 14,000 square meters. By reducing unnecessary trips, we can optimize to keep movements inside of it. Less waste, better efficiency, and smarter logistics. All in seconds with Twinzo.